Welcome to our countdown of the top 50 most sold flowers in the world. Flowers have a unique way of bringing beauty, emotion, and meaning into our lives. From romantic roses to cheerful sunflowers, each bloom has a story to tell. In this video, we'll explore the most popular flowers, their cultural significance, and why they are loved by millions worldwide. Let's dive in. 50. Edelweiss. Edelweiss flowers are small, star-shaped blooms found in the alpine regions of Europe. They symbolize courage and devotion, often associated with love and resilience in harsh environments. 49. Cherry blossom. Cherry blossoms are delicate pink and white flowers that symbolize the fleeting nature of life. Celebrated during cherry blossom festivals, they are iconic in Japan and admired worldwide. 48. Pansy. Pansies are cheerful, multicolored flowers that symbolize thoughtfulness and remembrance. Their vibrant faces make them a favorite for garden borders and decorative pots. 47. Passion flower. Passion flowers are exotic blooms with intricate patterns that symbolize faith and spirituality. Known for their unique appearance, they are also valued for their medicinal properties. 46. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums symbolize longevity and happiness. Commonly used in celebrations, decor, and gardens, they are one of the most versatile and widely cultivated flowers. 45. Sweet pea. Sweet peas are fragrant, delicate flowers that symbolize blissful pleasure. Their pastel hues make them a favorite choice for weddings and romantic arrangements. 44. Dahlia. Dahlias are bold and intricate blooms that symbolize elegance and creativity. With a wide range of colors and petal shapes, they are a standout in any floral display. 43. Snowdrop. Snowdrops are among the first flowers to bloom after winter, symbolizing hope and renewal. These delicate white flowers are a sign that spring is just around the corner. 42. Crocus. Crocuses are vibrant, early-blooming flowers that symbolize rebirth and cheerfulness. Their colorful petals add life to gardens emerging from winter's dormancy. 41. Forget-me-nots are tiny blue flowers that symbolize true love and remembrance. They are often associated with nostalgia and heartfelt emotions. 40. Gladiolus. Gladiolus flowers are tall and elegant, symbolizing strength and integrity. Their bold spikes of blooms make them a favorite in formal arrangements. 39. Bougainvillea. Bougainvilleas are vibrant, paper-like flowers that symbolize passion and vibrancy. Found in warm climates, they are commonly used to decorate walls and fences. 38. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are tropical blooms that symbolize delicate beauty. Their large, colorful petals evoke feelings of warmth and relaxation. 37. Foxglove. Foxgloves are tubular flowers that symbolize confidence and creativity. They are loved for their unique bell-shaped blooms and vibrant colors. 36. Buttercup. Buttercups are cheerful yellow flowers that symbolize youth and joy. Their bright hue adds a sunny touch to fields and gardens. 35. Morning glory. Morning glories are climbing plants with trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom at dawn. They symbolize love and renewal, often adorning trellises and fences. 34. Cosmos. Cosmos flowers are daisy-like blooms that symbolize harmony and peace. Their simple beauty and long blooming season make them a garden favorite. 33. Bluebell. Bluebells are delicate bell-shaped flowers that symbolize gratitude and humility. They carpet forests with their stunning blue hues in spring. 32. Amaryllis. Amaryllis flowers are bold, trumpet-shaped blooms that symbolize pride and determination. Often associated with the holiday season, they brighten homes with their festive colors. 31. Freesia. Freesias are fragrant, bell-shaped flowers that symbolize innocence and friendship. Their sweet scent makes them a popular choice for bouquets and perfumes. 30. Protea. Proteas are bold, exotic flowers that symbolize transformation and courage. Their striking appearance adds a modern touch to floral arrangements. 29. Ranunculus. Ranunculus flowers are prized for their paper-thin petals and vibrant hues. They symbolize charm and are a popular choice for wedding bouquets. 28. Snapdragon. Snapdragons are tall, colorful flowers that symbolize grace and strength. Their unique blooms resemble the mouth of a dragon, adding interest to any garden. 27. Camellia. Camellias are lush, rose-like flowers that symbolize admiration and perfection. They are a timeless choice for gardens and romantic gestures. 26. Begonias are versatile flowers with bright blooms and asymmetrical leaves. They symbolize deep thoughts and gratitude. 25. Anemones are delicate flowers that symbolize anticipation. Known for their vibrant colors, they are often used in artistic floral arrangements. 24. Jasmine flowers are small white blooms that symbolize love and purity. Their enchanting fragrance makes them a favorite in teas and perfumes. 23. Lilacs are fragrant flowers that bloom in clusters, symbolizing youthful innocence and the arrival of spring. 22. Zinnias are colorful, daisy-like flowers that symbolize lasting friendship and goodness. They bring cheerful energy to gardens and bouquets. 21. Magnolia flowers are large and fragrant, symbolizing nobility and perseverance. They are a symbol of strength and beauty in many cultures. 20. Dahlias represent elegance and creativity. Their intricate petal arrangements and wide range of colors make them a standout in floral displays. 19. Poppies symbolize remembrance and consolation. Their delicate petals and vibrant colors make them a poignant choice for memorials and gardens. 18. Gardenias symbolize purity and sweetness. Their creamy white petals and intoxicating fragrance are popular for bridal bouquets. 17. Hibiscus flowers evoke tropical beauty and symbolize delicate charm. Their bold petals and exotic nature are loved worldwide. 16. Marigolds symbolize passion and creativity. Their vibrant orange and yellow hues brighten celebrations and festivals. 15. Lavender symbolizes serenity and grace. Its soothing fragrance is widely used in aromatherapy and perfumes. 14. Lotus. The lotus flower represents purity and enlightenment, holding deep spiritual significance in Eastern cultures. 13. Carnations symbolize love and fascination. Their ruffled petals and wide variety of colors make them a classic choice for special occasions. 12. Gerbera daisy. Gerbera daisies symbolize cheerfulness and joy. Their bold, colorful blooms brighten up any floral arrangement. 11. Chrysanthemums symbolize longevity and joy. They are highly versatile and widely cultivated for their vibrant petals. 10. Iris flowers symbolize faith and wisdom. Named after the Greek goddess of the rainbow, they are admired for their unique shape and vivid colors. 9. Daffodils symbolize new beginnings and rebirth. Their sunny yellow trumpets herald the arrival of spring. 8. Hydrangeas symbolize gratitude and heartfelt emotions. Their voluminous clusters of flowers make them a favorite for gardens and bouquets. 7. Peonies symbolize romance and prosperity. Their lush, full blooms are often featured in weddings and special events. 6. Daisies symbolize innocence and purity. Their simple beauty makes them one of the most beloved flowers worldwide. 5. Sunflowers symbolize adoration and loyalty. Their towering stems and bright yellow petals bring cheer to any setting. 4. Lilies symbolize purity and renewal. Their large, fragrant blooms are versatile for weddings, funerals, and gardens. 3. Orchids symbolize luxury and strength. Their intricate blooms and exotic appeal make them highly sought after. 2. Tulips symbolize perfect love. Their vibrant colors and graceful form make them a springtime favorite. 1. Roses are the universal symbol of love and beauty. Their timeless elegance and variety of colors make them the most sold and cherished flower in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 50 most sold flowers in the world. Each flower tells a unique story, blending beauty, symbolism, and emotion. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating explorations of nature's wonders. Until next time, keep blooming.